Hello and welcome to Contentrain's walkthrough video series. In this walkthrough, we'll take a glance at the overview screen. When you sign up for Contentrain, a default workspace is automatically created for you. However, you should connect your workspace to a Git provider to start creating projects. The installation process will be explained in more details in the following video. In the top right corner of the screen, there is a drop-down menu from where you can access your profile and workspaces and other information. The View Profile link takes you to your profile settings, and the wheel icon here takes you to your workspace settings. You can also create a new workspace from here and switch between your workspaces by clicking on them. Next to the drop-down menu there is a notification bell. When you click, you'll see the notifications for your current workspace. And when you proceed to the bottom of the screen, you can see the options to create your first project. You can create a project by manual installation or using one of our starter kits here. There is also an option of starting with a template from the marketplace, which is in development stage and we are actively working on it now. You can watch other videos for more insights on the basics of Contentrain.